Hi, this is 10.3. I wanted to point out on page 638, we have tables of polygons, and polygons are just shapes that you're familiar with. Some of them are triangles, have 3 sides, quadrilaterals, 4 sides, and then we have for different types of quadrilaterals, as you know, like parallelograms and trapezoids and things like that. Then we have the pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, octagon 8 sides, and so forth. Okay, in this section we're going to be talking about perimeter and angle measures, things like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the measure of the outside of the shape. So if we were to take a piece of string and measure it and pull it straight out, we would know what that measure is. So if this is a rectangle, and that means this is 90 degrees right here, and that's 90, 90, 90. Okay, if this is 4 inches, this is 4 inches. If this is 7 inches, this is 7 inches. And so the perimeter is just adding that all up. So the perimeter of this particular rectangle is going to be 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 7, which is 11 plus 11, which is 22 inches. Okay, you have seen the formula for perimeter, which for the rectangle, I'm going to call it perimeter for the rectangle formula. We have seen this before where it is twice the length, because there's 2 of this exact same length, plus twice the width. So if we were to do that with this right here, we'd say the perimeter of this rectangle, twice the length, which is 7, plus twice the width, which is 4, is 14 plus 8, which equals 22 inches. Okay, so let's go on to a different problem. We're going to go to this problem right here. All right, we have 10 meters, 5 meters, 8 meters, and 3 meters in this little piece. How are we going to find the perimeter when we don't know this and we don't know this? Well, let's start off. If this is 10 meters and this is 5, if we were to go over so that this measured exactly with this, what would we need to put here to make this 10? If this is 5, that's right, that means this piece must be 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'm going to put in a different color that this piece right here is 5 meters. This little piece, 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, now let's look this way. We have 8 going this way, and here we have 3. So what's this going to be? That's right, it's going to be 5. 5 meters, because 5 plus 3 equals 8. So now we can do the perimeter by adding all of the sides. So the perimeter of this shape is, we have 5 plus 10 is 15. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 5 is 8, and we can add those all up. We have 28 plus 8, which is 36 meters. Okay, I forgot to bring my little eraser here. Something else I wanted to show you was about angles. So I'll be right back. Okay, so let me show you what we know about angles for 10.3. We already know the measure of 3 angles is 180 degrees. So we take any triangle. So here's any triangle. And if this is angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, we know the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Okay? Now, what if we had some 4-sided shape? There, it's made it 4-sided. And we want to know the degree measure of the inside. What are the different degrees here? Well, what we could do is we could split these up into triangles. See, there's one triangle and there's a second triangle. So what do we have? We have 180 degrees for the triangle over here, plus 180 degrees for the triangle over here, and so that's 360 degrees. Okay, we can do the same thing. Let's say we had a 5-sided shape, and I'm just going to make 5 sides. All right, can we put triangles in there? Let's see if we can. Let's see, I'm going to put one here, from that corner, and then from this to that corner. And look what we have. We've got 3 triangles. So we have 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. Okay, so now we came up with a formula that's in your book, and it's on page 639. Page 639. It says the angles of a polygon. The sum of the measures of an angle polygon with n sides. That means in this case we had 4 sides. We had 5 sides. So with n sides, n minus 2 times 180 degrees will be the answer. So in this case we had 5 sides. So we would put a 5 in here. 5 minus 2 times 180, which equals right here 3 times 180 and 540. So we got the same answer. All right, so we're going to cut this one short, and I'm just going to give you your homework on this one. I'll erase this. This is going to be a fun and easy one. You've worked with all these shapes since elementary school. Okay, so here's your homework for 10.3. You're going to do 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. It just looks like odd numbers, doesn't it? And 29. Find out what it is.